After installing Play Store and fyde, you can install the games and apps from the store as well. So in this video, we'll guide you how to install the Play Store on your fyde OS. You'll try it on Chrome OS as well, but chromeosflex isn't supported these kind of things. So let's start with the fyde. Okay, first thing you need to do is to install the fyde in your laptop, and the proper version I'll provide you in the link. You have to choose your processor from there. If you are using the Intel, choose the Intel. If you have 3rd generation or lower, choose that file. And if you have some modern version like 9th generation or above, choose that file. And if you have AMD version, just choose that file. After installation, this logo will appear. Now you have to skip this wizard, like placing everything in it. And after that, we install the Play Store. When you install the fyde OS, you don't have any Play Store in it, so we will enable the Play Store later on. So first we got to skip this thing. Okay, now we are on the main screen. Now we have to go to this Android option where you can access it. Click on the start menu, and there on the top you have this Android. Click on this Android. Make sure your internet is connected and you are also logged in from fyde account or Google account or whatever. It will take a little bit time installing the fyde Android system, so don't worry about it. Just wait for it till it's done, and then we'll show you what to do next. Okay, here we go. Our Android is enabled on our fyde. Now we have to install Play Stores. So on the start menu, you have to go to the store. Click on the store, and here you can see G apps. This one, Android one. Click on it and install these G apps. After that, we have to open this G app once it's done. So during this process, it will not allow you to type the shell command. How to enable it, I'll tell you in the next moment. Okay, we have to open the G apps and we will install it on this fyde. Process is simple. Just go next on OK, and again wait depending on the speed of your internet. I'll be back once it's done. If you try to search on Google settings, you can see I am already logged in and these settings are active here. Okay, from now here you can enable your developer option. If you can't enable it, you just go to your BIOS and make sure you have UEFI secure settings is off. So after that, these store will install, like you can see now, and in my case it's done. Now we will check. We can have something here. Okay, reboot is required. Let's reboot, and I'm going to show you where from the BIOS you have disabled the settings for your developer option. Okay, you can see in my BIOS, if I check my secure boot, there is UEFI only. So if you have a legacy or both, then your developer option won't enable. So for that, you have to select your UEFI and save it. After save, just reboot and your developer is on. If you are new to our channel, you can subscribe for free videos, tutorials and everything. Okay, we are back. Now we type the password that we created before. Okay, once you have done that, your Play Store will be shown here. So you can now click on your Play Store and log in from your Play Store or Google ID. So I'm going to show you. Place your ID here and then log in. It will take a little bit time for the first time because it will like sign in from your account and access some things from you, and after that you can download anything like your games, your applications, softwares, or whatever you like from Android. This is like Android 7, I think so. Now enjoy, download anything that you want, like, and don't forget to subscribe also on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, Celltronix. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video very soon. Enjoy the game. That game is taking little bit time, so we just try to run the hill climb. Also, it's much easy to download and other things. So let's get started with it. People, I have only one box. Okay, let's start out shooting now. And behind my things are, like, I think so. Oh, it's little bit slow. That's taking time. I thought prices are too high. Use it wisely. Okay, happy. Happy with my card. Go remember. Okay. Go. $5. And here we have more petrol. And there is going good. I think I have installed this on my phone. Didn't seem so difficult. Okay. Talking nice. So that's all for today. See you in the next video very soon. We install fyde with Play Store support and Play Store games are working as well, as you can see here. So I'm gonna check if I have anything else to my Play Store. Okay, YouTube is not available for this version. You have to download. I'll show you how to download somewhere on there. And because it's on Android 9, I think so, or maybe Play Store services are not running properly or updates are required. That's why it's a little bit onto that one. So okay, we install the WhatsApp. Let's check if we have. Okay, our WhatsApp is working without any errors. You just have to scan this one and it will lead you to WhatsApp. Okay. Android libraries are updating, Play Store support is updating. That is a more important thing. Okay. Let it update because these things are very much required for your Android to run. So if you want it without any errors, just go with it. Or that's all for today. Pray for our brothers and sisters in Gaza, Palestine, Iran, and every Islamic state. And bless them freedom from these war criminals. I mean, thanks for watching. See you in the next video very, very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comments. We are on Instagram. We are on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Join us there as well. Thanks for watching. See you next video very soon.